guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing Natural Disasters with my buddy Xbox Goddess 212.
Yeah, aka his brother.
Yeah, aka my brother. We play a lot of games together. And if you see Didset's another gamer with me. He also games with me, aka my cousin. Those are the two people who I'll be gaming with in my YouTube videos. That rocket ship's deadly. Whenever I go on it, it murders me.
That rocket ship was so loud I had to turn down my volume.
Bro, this rocket ship murdered me. It has a huge record of murder.
Yeah.
That's why I don't go on it.
Many lives.
They die. They die. Because it's probably just going to fly into the water. Acid rain.
Stay indoors. I'm going to go to the bottom level.
Yeah, that's the best spot because it destroys your indoors.
Second level.
Why?
Because the ground on the bottom level is like acid fire. So if we go here.
What?
Just come over to where I am.
No.
Okay, fine.
You stay up there, I stay down here.
Fine.
Look at that rain. If it wasn't acid, I would dance in it.
Yeah.
I don't care.
Even if it's acid. Oh wait, I'm at really low health. Never mind. I forgot to reset my character from last round.
Oh yeah, he walked into a tornado.
I did not walk in the...
The tornado wasn't moving.
That was... Okay, whatever. I'm not gonna fight you on that. The tornado was moving slowly.
So the only way for it to catch you is if you walked into it.
Smokes. I just looked up from 3rd level and realized how bad it looks.
We're trapped in the 1st level.
That's a lot of... You know what? I have a hiding spot. Shoot, I'm dying. Shoot, I'm dying. Shoot,
I told you that was a bad spot.
No! I died right before it ended.
Does it still say you win? Looks like you didn't. I don't really care about wins because I have 112, a lot. But I'm the 3rd worst person here.
I got 58. Oh wait, I'm not. I might not be on the bottom. I'm 2nd to bottom. Yay.
Hey, I'm 5th to bottom. I think. Yeah, 5th to bottom.
Alright, should we head, let's head to this lookout over here.
You head to there. I want to head up here. See what this is.
I want to stay together, though. Thing. Where'd you go?
I'm running.
You're nearly dead. You should have restarted your character.
Oh, yeah. Well, I bet whatever happens, this is a safe spot.
Maybe. Or it's going to be like earthquake and it's going to kill us.
It could, but it wouldn't immediately kill us.
I'm a little sleepy.
Yeah.
You know what?
Okay, I'm going outside. This is so easy. No way to die. This is like 10. This is like, for a meter to actually hit you, it's like a 5% chance.
Well,
it's an even better chance of you die. There's an even better chance of you dying from a meter destroying a block hitting your head. That's an easier % chance.
And there's a higher chance of just falling to your death.
Because you're just watching the skies. Trying to dodge these awfully close meteors. They're awful. Yeah. It's like they're aimed for me. Why don't you do it?
Water does not taste good. Especially when it's sitting next to a window.
Bro, I'm the one who's dodging natural meteors.
You're actually dodging them? Holy! I looked up in the sky and it looked like...
Yeah, I'm dodging them.
just fire.
Yeah, that's why I'm dodging them. This meter shares not liking the times where I said it's so easy to dodge and survive this one. Really not liking it.
Wait, but I think I found the one spot where you don't die. I found the one spot where you don't die from a meteor. Aha!
Silly did that. Woohoo! I'm on the bottom of the list.
Yeah, the last one. And I'm like diagonal upwards.
Bro, I don't care.
Oh no, I moved down.
Haha. What? Oh, you're the bottom.
I'm the bottom.
And I'm
I don't know. Okay.
I'm like still fifth.
Okay. Ooh, this is interesting. And it's like pots. Or like plants or what are these?
Oh, I don't want to
Also,
be
why
up.
are people Spider-Man?
Ow! How did I die? I fell
I thought
further.
everyone was just Spider-Man. Oh. It's sandstone. It's sandstone. And I'm taking damage.
Bro,
I didn't realize you took damage from sandstone.
well,
Oh, what's going on?
I don't know. Just
just like
Bandicam. This is where I film my videos. This is where I started. Well, I feel like that should be it. I don't know how much rounds I played, but I feel like it's good enough. So, well, see you guys in the next video. It's super hard to upload these. So I'm not going to make them. I try to make them often, but I normally forget and say I'm too lazy. And then it's super hard to upload these. So I can't do these very often. So making this video, it might not be uploaded. So if it did, I made super hard work trying to upload this one video. See you guys. Wait, what? Oh.
See you guys next video.
Peace out.